A wise man once said, haters gonna hate and ain'ters gonna ain't. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm John from Elago. Today we're going to be talking to you about some of our new iPhone 15 products. We've got a new iPhone 15 here, the titanium one, looking really snazzy. Here's the new iPhone 15, beautiful looking thing. And I think the first case that we're going to be looking at today is the new MagSafe silicone case that we have. It's the most popular case that we have. It is compatible with MagSafe, so it's perfect for your new iPhone 15. The packaging alone, beautiful, stunning. Well, let's open this thing up and take a look at it, why won't we? Comes perfectly packaged, like all of our products do. Beautiful. Standard case. We have made this for the past couple years. Probably one of the best selling. It's got felt on the inside. It's got the magnetic ring so that you can use it with any magnetic or MagSafe product, stands or charging cases or chargers of any kind. Basically, we changed a little bit of the silicone here and we turned it into a hard plastic so that it can't like rip or tear or catch on things. It's a little more sturdy for it. Still perfect, but let's pop it in to see how it looks. Super easy. Slip one side in, pop the other, boom. Beautiful. Look at it. Just sleek. All right, so after we've seen the MagSafe silicone case, here's the, I would say, probably our best-selling product, and I'm so happy to see that we've made a MagSafe version of it. It's the Glide series. Boom. Beautiful. You're going to love it, I'm telling you. This is probably the best thing that I think that we've ever made. Look at this. It's just beautiful. It's got all the colors, everything you could ever need. It's even got an inside lining. It has this, which is what makes it the Glide series. 2 different tones, right? So you get the bottom tone, basically to match, mix and match with your outfits. And then you have the standard color that you have for it. But put them together. Let's pop it in here and we'll take a look at what it looks like on the new iPhone 15. Boom. Easy. Installation, a breeze, right? But this thing is also MagSafe. It's a little thicker, so you won't even notice that it is MagSafe. You pop it on there, looks beautiful, functions exactly how you want it to function. And look at that. Just look at it. Got the 2 tones. Doesn't really match with me, but it looks great. All right, and then the next iPhone 15 case is our hybrid series. Probably one of my favorite series as well because you get 2 different tones. But one thing we did special with this year's iPhone 15 version is we made another MagSafe version of it. Here it is. Boom. Comes in our eco-friendly packaging, which is we use soy ink to make the color so that we can reduce our carbon footprint. But let's take that out of here. Look at that. But it's also got a hard plastic back. So if you drop this thing, you're pretty much sure it's going to be okay. And again, got that ring so that it is MagSafe. But let's take a look what it looks like on your iPhone 15. Slips in, pops in, boom, easy, beautiful. And you get to show off. It's got the circle so that you can show off, hey, I got myself an iPhone, and it looks good. Next product, it's same line, hybrid, except this time it doesn't have the MagSafe option. Again, nice product, nice packaging. And this is, again, the new iPhone 15 version of our hybrid series, which, as I explained in the with the previous case, is it's hard plastic on the back and TPU on the sides. The TPU we do offer in different colors too, so just check the listing. It'll be there for you to select whichever color you would like, or no color at all, because this is just clear case. And we do have a micro dot pattern on the TPU, because TPU does have a tendency to yellow over time, which kind of with all clear cases, that's a problem that you're going to have to deal with over time no matter what it's going to happen. But we've added a micro dot lining inside to try to reduce that as much as possible so that you can get the longevity that you want out of the case. Especially the titanium one. This is the titanium iPhone. So you really do get to see that like beautiful titanium on the outside. But look at that. Stunning. The hybrid series. Pick one up today. So the next case that we're going to be looking at is probably the best-selling case that we've ever had, which is the liquid silicone case for the iPhone 15. Let's see the product here. Beautiful packaging. Look at that. So let's open it up and take a look at it here. All right. Anything special in here? Look at that. This one doesn't have like the hybrid one, or not the hybrid, the MagSafe version. The buttons are actual plastic to make it a little more resilient. This one's just straight up silicone. It's a little cheaper, so if you are just looking for just, you want a bunch of different colors, we got a ton of different colors for this. But also within the case, we do give you for free some California stickers because we do love being Californian here. But yes, again, it's got that microfiber lining in it, so it looks very nice and feels very good. The silicone, premium silicone, and it's a little more flexible, so it's a little easier for you to get it on and off. Like I said, if you want to change the colors often, if you want to change it with your outfit, make it, you're going out, you want to make a statement with your iPhone. These are the ones, and they're not going to break the bank when you do it. Super easy to get on, slips right on, just like all the other ones, because we designed them specifically so that it's easy to get on and off. But look at that. Man, that makes that really stand out. But yes, liquid silicone case, tons of different colors. Go take a look on Amazon.com or on elago.com. I'm sure you'll love it. So we've come to our last case here. This one, by far, my favorite. I have it on my iPhone 14. Unfortunately, the iPhone 14 model didn't have MagSafe. You know what we did? We made a MagSafe version of it. You want to take a look at it? Beautiful case. Here it is. Let's open this up. Pull it on out. Look at this thing. Looks like it could withstand a bomb. Beautiful case. Got that dotted lining to it to make it more grippy. So if you're a rugged outdoors person, this one, it's not going to fall out, man. It's not going to fall out of your hand. That thing sticks like glue. It is MagSafe compatible. So what we did is we added to this case. And now we've also added a hard plastic lining around your cameras. Pop it in there. Oh, easy. Easy peasy. You see, I did that in like 2 seconds. Nothing. And it's on there, and I could throw this across the room. It'd be fine, I'm sure. But yeah, look at that thing. Stunning. And it fits right in there. The cameras line up perfectly. Everything's beautiful. Love this thing. Looks perfect on my phone as well. This is our 14 version. I mean, this one looks better, honestly. This one's sleeker and better. I would take this over this one any day of the week, simply for the fact that it covers this automatically. You don't have to go out and buy it. We do offer that for the 14, but we just included it with this because we're just that generous. But go out and get one today, and I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed. That's all we have for today for the iPhone 15. That is our iPhone 15 series. In the future, we are going to make another one of these, kind of going into details with our MagSafe series of accessories and some of our screen protectors and stuff like that. So please stay tuned. And remember, make details, make history.
Make detail, make history. Boom.
Oh, I think I'm getting a call. Mr. President?